Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can translate in Gemini. So Gemini, several methods are available for translating using AI on Google search. It's powered by Gemini family or models. So we can direct text translate, so type or paste text into the AI Google search. So I will show you here like that. You can type here directly into the Google. Just a moment, I will paste something in, and then here uh, I will paste this like that, and hit send. And now this text will be translated into the Spanish. Alright, now what we can also do here is if we go here to gemini.google.com, so right over here, we can translate entire files also. So if you click here on the plus button, add files, and upload files, and search here for in your folder on your computers for some files, and I can open up right over here like that, and now we have uploaded our document, and enter a prompt like something like that, for example. And yeah, you can also uh, activate, so enable canvas mode to view the translation side by side with the original, like so, and then just hit submit. And as you can see, now the whole PDF file was translated into the Japanese. So these two examples are, I think, the mostly used in how to use translation. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next